Imagine sinking your teeth into your favorite dessert, a donut, a chocolate bar, or maybe a big slice of cake. The sweetness hits your tongue, and for a moment, life feels perfect. But what if I told you that sugary delight is quietly working behind the scenes, changing the way your brain functions? What if that slice of cake isn't just a treat, it's a trap? Let's dive deep into the science of sugar and uncover how it hijacks your brain, impacts your emotions, and traps you in a cycle that's tough to break. Stick with me until the end, and I'll share how you can take back control of your mind and your health. Why sugar feels so good. The moment sugar enters your mouth, it sends signals to your brain, lighting up the reward system like a Christmas tree. Your brain's reward system is designed to keep you alive. It rewards you for behaviors like eating, exercising, or forming social connections. Normally, it works to balance your needs, giving you a small dopamine boost when you accomplish something beneficial. But sugar is different. It acts like a hacker, flooding your brain with an unnatural surge of dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel good. The first bite of a sugary treat is a rush of pleasure, almost like fireworks going off in your brain. Now, here's the problem. Your brain is smart, but it's not always fair. It starts to crave that high again and again. Over time, it takes more sugar to get the same dopamine hit. That's why one candy bar turns into two, then three. And before you know it, you're caught in a loop. The hijack, sugar and your brain chemistry. So, what happens when sugar becomes a regular part of your diet? Your brain starts to change. The overconsumption of sugar doesn't just stimulate your reward system, it desensitizes it. Think of your brain like a light bulb. With normal stimulation, it glows steadily. But sugar? It's like a power surge, blasting that light bulb so frequently that it starts to dim over time. This is why sugary foods stop being as satisfying. You don't just want more sugar. You need more sugar to feel normal. It's not just about the taste. It's about biology. But that's not all. Sugar impacts other parts of your brain, too. The hippocampus, responsible for memory and learning, shrinks with long-term sugar consumption. Yes, you heard that right. Shrinkage. Imagine struggling to recall simple things, like where you left your keys or what you were about to say. Studies have shown that high-sugar diets can lead to brain fog, making it harder to focus and think clearly. How sugar impacts your mood. It doesn't stop there. Sugar doesn't just hijack your brain's reward system, it also takes your emotions for a wild ride. Ever notice how after eating something sweet, you feel great? But then, just an hour later, you're cranky, tired, or even anxious. That's the sugar crash. Here's what happens. When you eat sugar, your blood sugar spikes rapidly, giving you that temporary high. But soon after, it plummets, leaving you irritable and fatigued. It's like riding a roller coaster, exciting at first, but exhausting by the end. Over time, this cycle affects your mental health. Regular sugar consumption has been linked to anxiety and depression. It creates a vicious loop. You feel low, so you reach for sugar to boost your mood. But that only sets you up for another crash, leaving you even worse off than before. The hidden sugar problem. It's everywhere now. You might be thinking, I'll just cut back on desserts. But here's the thing. Sugar is sneaky. It's not just in cookies, candy, and soda. It's hidden in foods you'd never expect. Salad dressings, yogurt, pasta sauces, even bread. These are often loaded with added sugars. The food industry has engineered these products to be addictive. They know that sugar keeps you coming back for more, so they sneak it into almost everything. This makes cutting back harder than it seems. Even if you're trying to be healthy, you might still be consuming more sugar than you realize. How to rewire your brain. But here's the good news. Your brain is incredible. It has the power to heal, adapt, and recover. You're not stuck in this cycle forever. You just need to take the first step. Start by identifying where sugar is hiding in your diet. Read labels carefully. Look for terms like high fructose corn syrup, cane sugar, or dextrose. These are all different names for the same thing. Next, focus on natural alternatives. Replace processed sweets with fruits. Not only do fruits satisfy your sweet tooth, but they also provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that your body actually needs. It's also important to retrain your brain's reward system. Exercise is one of the best ways to do this. When you work out, your body releases dopamine naturally, giving you that same feel-good rush without the sugar. Regular exercise can help you break the cycle and feel better overall. Another powerful tool is mindfulness. Practice being present with your cravings instead of giving in immediately. Ask yourself, do I really want this? Or is it just a habit? 1 week without sugar. Here's a challenge for you. Go 1 week without added sugar. That's 7 days of cutting out processed sweets, sugary drinks, and hidden sugars. It might sound tough, but the results can be life-changing. In just a few days, you'll notice more energy, better focus, and fewer cravings. By the end of the week, you'll feel like a new person. And once you see how good it feels to live without sugar's control, you'll never want to go back. Imagine your life without sugar's grip. Picture this: waking up in the morning feeling energized and clear-headed. No brain fog, no mid-afternoon crashes, just steady energy and focus all day long. That's the life you can have if you start taking control of your diet today. Sugar doesn't have to control you. Your brain is stronger than you think, and with the right steps, you can break free. If this video inspired you, hit the subscribe button and join our community of health warriors. Together, we can take back control of our minds and our lives. Share this video with someone who needs it. They'll thank you later. Your journey to freedom starts now. Take the first step today.